Hi there, today I am in the UK driving the Hyundai Bayon. Now this is a small 5-seater hybrid and I have been driving it with my family and my two very tall nephews for the last couple of weeks. Now because I'm in the UK, I don't have all my tricks and tips with me. I don't have all my child seats and I don't have my assortment of prams. But I have been testing this with my family for a couple of weeks, so I can definitely tell you what it's like for a family. Let's find out. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by Infosecure. In the back of the Hyundai Bayon, there are ISOFIX in the two outer rear seats. They're not within plastic guides, but behind lovely little concealed zips. They're really nice and easy to attach to. Now, there are top tether anchorages for the both outer rear seats. They're nice and easy to connect to through the boot and the top of the seat backs. Now, there's no top tether anchorage for the central seat in the UK's version of the Bayon. However, I'm sure if they ever had to bring it to Australia, then they would put a central top tether anchorage point in. Now, I have got the Infosecure Attain More installed in the outer rear seat. You could put one in either of the outer seats and it fits really nicely. Now they will fit forward-facing or rear-facing. When they're forward-facing, you can easily fit a 186cm driver in front or front passenger, and when they're rear-facing, about a 170cm driver. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the link here. Storage in the back of the Hyundai Bayon is quite minimal. There's one mat pocket on the back of the front seat that will hold but not conceal an iPad. The door bins in the back are a good size. They will hold a refillable water bottle. And there's no cup holders in the back here. There is a single USB port and phone tray down in the back of the central console box. Storage in the front of the Bayon is much better. There are two cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a refillable water bottle or a disposable or reusable coffee cup. The central console box is quite small in here. In front of the gear lever, there is a wireless phone charging pad and you've got USB sockets there too. The glove box is a great size. That will hold an iPad and wallet with the manual. And the door bins are a good size. They'll hold a refillable water bottle and an iPad and a wallet fits in them too. The boot door of the Bayon here opens manually, nice and easily. Now, the boot in the Bayon, it's a really good size, and the boot floor does drop down about 5 to 10 centimetres, which is really handy, especially if, like us, you try to put suitcases in here. Now, I don't have my collection of shopping bags with me on holiday here in the UK, but I can tell you I can get our medium-sized dog in here, and I could fit our daughter's basic stroller in the boot. Now, the Hyundai Bayon is a nice little car to drive. It's got a really nice tight turning circle, which makes it nice and easy to manoeuvre and to park. Now, visibility is a little bit tricky out of the sides when changing lanes on the motorway because the windows slope up at the back. But when you're parking and manoeuvring, those cameras are fantastic. Now, this is a manual, not an automatic like most cars in Australia. However, because we're in the UK, it is a manual. I love driving manual, so that's been a really good experience this week. The media system in the Hyundai Bayon is Hyundai's really lovely and easy to use and navigate system. Now, you do control the climate through here, which is really nice and easy. Also, you've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well, which is fantastic. Now, when I put it into reverse, you've got a lovely, clear, quite large image, and you can just choose your angles as well. And you can turn the parking sensors off with a button down in the central console. So, to sum up with the Hyundai Bayon, it makes a really nice family car. It's fitted the four of us in really nicely this week, and when I've needed to take my two very tall nephews with me, they have fitted with no trouble with legroom, even with the Infosecure child seats in the back too. Boot space has been good. We've been able to fit the pram in the boot and our medium-sized dog fits as well. The drive has been really great, and being a hybrid, hopefully we have saved a little bit on fuel. And the Hyundai media system has been lovely to use.